Surprise, everybody. This is Mr. Lowe again. What I want to do right now is show you guys another approach. I like this one only because it makes the multiplication so much easier. We are going to do something called cross simplifying. And when we cross simplify, I look at this problem, 42 and 2 sevenths, and I think 42 over 1 times 2 over 7. And I start asking myself, I look at my numerators and my denominators. And I don't worry too much about the number one because it's the number one. When I look at this, I ask myself, can seven go into two? Nope, seven can't go into two. But can seven go into 42? Yes, seven goes into 42. So watch what I do. Seven goes into 42 how many times? Well, 7 times 6 is 42. So 7 goes into 42 6 times. And then 7 goes into 7 one time. Now watch what we do. We multiply. What's 6 times 2? That's 12. What's 1 times 1? That's 1. Our answer is 12. You don't believe me? Let's do the math. 42 times 2 sevenths. Well, 42 times 2 is what? 84 all over 7. 84 all over 7. So now I got to divide, right? So I'm going to go 84 divided by 7. 7 goes into 8 once. I subtract. I get 1. I bring down my 4. 7 goes into 4 twice. I subtract. I get 0. I get 12 there, and I get 12 there. I don't know about you guys, but I really like cross simplifying. All right. That to me is very fast paced. That is something you should be able to do. Let's go back and look at one of our other problems where we can do cross simplifying. So I'm going to go up here and go backwards. 35 times 2 fifths. When I have 35 times 2 fifths, I'm going to write that down on this page. 35 times 2 fifths. And right away, I recognize, hey, I know 5 and 35 are both divisible by each other, right? I can divide 5 by 5 and I get 1, and I can divide 35 by 5 and I can get 7. Now let's do the math. What's 7 times 2? 7 times 2 is 14 all over 1. I get 14 as my answer. And let's just double check that. You ready? So I got 14 here. Take a look at this. Hey, look at that. I got 14 over here. So again, cross simplifying, not going to work every single time, but it is something that you want to at least start to try, kind of experiment with. So if we looked at this next one, 7 times 5 twelfths, well, I can't cross simplify because 7 can't be divided into 12 evenly, and neither can 5. I mean, if this was a 6 twelfths, well, then I could do it, but it's not. So you can't. All right. If you have questions about cross simplifying, come and see me and I can work with you to help you figure some of these problems out. All right, make it a great day, you guys.